So typically our preparedness activities start as soon as we identify a potential hazard, which is typically a weather event that's moving in, a storm system. I act as an advisor to the incident commander, making sure that they're aware of any changes in the weather, but also making sure that we're managing our emergency response plan. So obviously our preparedness activities and our preparations rely heavily on accurate weather forecasts. And weather can always be a challenge, especially in New England. We have such a variety of terrain and different varieties of weather impacts. So we have a long-standing relationship with the University of Connecticut and Plymouth State University, and we are using some of their programs to try to better predict the damage or the impact of weather on our system. And when we've developed a relationship where they take basically raw weather data, the forecasted weather data, and they translate that into a outage predicted model. So it actually tries to predict not only the extent of the outages, but also the locations. And then from there, as the situation develops, we'll establish our incident command structure, everything up to actually activating our storm centers, deploying resources out to the field. So it's a very dynamic situation based on the information that we receive. The advantage of using the tools that we have in place, it gives us a lot more insight in terms of where potential impacts will occur. Even if the weather's not 100% accurate, we have the ability to shift our resources. Being a multi-state utility, we have the ability to move resources from a less impacted area to be able to assist those that have a more significant impact.